My name is Nguzi. I am 7 years old girl child. Mama says I used to love rice. I don't remember what it tastes like anymore. My brother's stomach is big now, not because he ate. Papa says it's the sickness, the one with the long name I can't see. At night, I hear planes. Mama covers my ears, but I still hear them. She says they bring food from the kind people far away. Yesterday, a plane didn't land right. It made a big fire. Mama told me not to look, but I saw it. Papa left 3 days ago with the other men. He said he'd be back. Mama cries when she thinks I'm sleeping. I don't go to school anymore. The building has holes in the roof now. Teacher Okafor's name is on the wall with other names. Mama says they are with Jesus. I saw Mama give her food to my brother today. She said she already ate, but I didn't see her eat. I drew a picture of our house, the one before, with the mango tree. Mama started crying when she saw it. I don't know why. Sometimes I forget there was a before. The planes come less now. Mama says we might leave soon on the big plane. She says we'll be safe. But she packed Papa's photo. I think that means he's not coming. I hope wherever we go, they have rice.